Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you how to change username and display name in Snapchat app. Don't forget friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments after watching and put your likes. Well, let us get down to our topic with you. And please open up the Snapchat app. Now you will need to, friends, at the top left click on your Bitmoji to open your account. Then at the top, click on the gear and then select the username section. Click Change Username, Continue. And now you can modify your name. The most important thing is that this name is not already taken by someone else. If it is, you will be shown a red line at the bottom, which will tell you that it is taken. So you will need to modify your username until it is free. After that, click Continue. And then you can, friends, change your username as well as the display name. When you go back to your Snapchat account, you'll be able to see the various changes as well. If you don't see them, you'll need to log out of Snapchat and log back into your account. Also, friends, I want to warn you that you will only be able to change your username, as well as the display name, once a year, not more often. So be very careful about changing your name. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.